An employer identification number, EIN, also known as a federal tax identification number, is a unique 9-digit number assigned by the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, to business entities operating in the United States for identification purposes. It's essentially a social security number for your business. While the IRS provides a free method for obtaining an EIN, some businesses opt to use third-party services like Legalzoom for assistance with the application process. This explanation will guide you through the steps to specifically request just the EIN service from Legalzoom. The process. Navigate to Legalzoom's website. Begin by opening your web browser and go into the official Legalzoom website. Search for EIN services. On the Legalzoom homepage, utilize the search bar, usually located prominently on the page, and type in terms like EIN, employer identification number, or federal tax ID. Identify the standalone EIN service. Legalzoom offers various business formation packages, some of which include EIN acquisition. Carefully review the search results to locate the specific service that only provides the EIN without requiring you to purchase a full business formation package, like an LLC or corporation setup. Look for clear wording indicating EIN application service or similar. Select the EIN service. Once you've found the standalone EIN service, click on it to access the service details page. Review service details and pricing. Take the time to thoroughly read the description of the EIN service. Understand what is included, typically assistance with the IRS application and the associated fee. Ensure it aligns with your need for just the EIN. Begin the application process. Click on a button such as Get Started, Apply Now, or similar to initiate the application. Provide business information. You will be prompted to fill out an online questionnaire with detailed information about your business. This will include the legal name of your business, the business structure, e.g., sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, corporation, the principal business activity, the physical address of your business, the name and details of the responsible party, the individual authorized to receive the EIN. Review your application. Before submitting, carefully review all the information you have entered for accuracy. Any errors can cause delays in the EIN processing. Submit your application and pay the fee. Once you are confident that the information is correct, proceed to submit the application and pay the service fee as indicated by Legalzoom. Legalzoom submits to the IRS. On your behalf, Legalzoom will then take the information you provided and submit the EIN application to the IRS. Receive your EIN. Legalzoom will notify you once the IRS has processed your application and issued your EIN. They will typically provide you with a copy of the official EIN confirmation document, Form CP-575, or a similar IRS notice. The time frame for receiving your EIN can vary depending on the IRS processing times. When navigating Legalzoom's website, be particularly attentive to the service descriptions and pricing details. Some packages may appear similar, but include additional services you don't require, leading to a higher cost. Double-check that you are selecting the service explicitly focused on EIN acquisition only.